Good morning.
Hello.
We are awake. It is 6:30. Sorry, 7:30, and we've both been awake since 6:30.
Yep.
Just shattered.
But couldn't sleep anymore.
But yeah, Hannah is here. How you feeling?
Oh, good. Not too bad.
She's already taken up a job. Chatting. We're just gonna have a wander today. Apparently it's a bank holiday, so we're not gonna go crash Redeemer because it'd be packed. But yeah, this hostel is so cute, eh?
Yep, I really like it.
Yeah, me too.
4 days here?
Yeah. 4 days, and you get breakfast as well. It's called Discovery Hostel.
Follow me. Right. I don't know if it's on. Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Good. So the weird thing about Brazil is, which I'm sure it's in all other South American countries, but you can't flush your toilet paper. So it's a little bit interesting. But anyway, this is it. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello, good morning.
Yep. Ooh, some fruit. I actually hate fruit, so you're gonna come through this and realise that, yeah, it's not my favourite thing. So we're thinking today, like, Copacobana, beach, and Ipena Beach, and there's like a street party and then a boat party tonight. Woo! What have you got? Well, it looks like a Portuguese kind of roll, a bit of cheese and a bit of salsa. Bit of feta, some homemade banana bread. Hello! Right. Copacobana Beach.
Here we come.
Baby! Woohoo!
Oh, look, there's a fountain.
Unreal.
Oh, this is cool. This is nice. You can feel the sun, hey?
Yeah. Isn't it? I could have a pina colada.
You can play volleyball.
Volleyball. Huh?
Now this is like a proper, this is like a holiday.
This is great.
I like that style.
I love how everyone walks up and down and just exercise and walks around in the heat.
We made it to the beach. It's boiling already. White boy over there. Woo! We made it. We're in the sun. We've all put sun cream on. Now I just want a beer. I think beer is cerveza. So you get it with man with agua. Cerveza. So there is beer. But yeah. Pretty awesome.
Hey guys! Oh, look at that sweaty upper lip, guys. I feel like you've got to see it.
Ready to tan me. That looks so good.
Why didn't you get one then?
I think, yeah, if you walk around again, I'll get one. I want you to tell me how it is first. If it actually got any alcohol.
I want you to barter down.
What?
I want you to get it for cheaper.
I'm pretty certain it's got that shit in it we had last night.
Oh, really?
What, has it got alcohol in it?
It tastes like this one.
Yeah.
We came all the way to Brazil to come to Subway. Jack's vegetarian one is just salad.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it not?
What's this? How do you say that?
Alfasi.
How would you say it?
Alfasi? I guess so, I don't know.
Face?
Say it in a super English accent. All face?
Alface.
Is it all face?
I don't know. I'm just alface, tomate, pepino, pimentão, cebola, pickles.
Alfasi?
We spent the day at the beach today, and Hannah went from having factor 50 and me saying, why would you put factor 50 on, to her not putting any sun cream on, so her whole body is burnt to a crisp.
Close as a border, right?
Goes everywhere.
I would probably go to
We got back and we napped. Jack's eating pickled onions.
Which is so weird.
and his boyfriend lives in
That's so weird.
With beer. Very horrible beer. Tastes like crap. So dark.
Water for pregnant people.
Yeah, Hannah's got water for pregnant people.
The beer does taste better if you
Hannah,
like
is there
it.
anything you would like to tell your mum?
I think I'm pregnant from the water.
That's what they always say.
We're going to a street party tonight. It's like a samba thing, so that should be good. Yeah. We just went to a street party. It was like a
Like El Pedro or
El
something.
salsa.
Sumba. Okay.
El something. We also realised today that Brazil speak Portuguese, not Spanish. So
We had a fabulous time.
we've been trying to speak Spanish to people, and now we know why they have no idea what we're saying.
But the street party was incredible.
It was very good.
But I need to go to bed because
Yeah.
I'm boiling.
Peace out. See you tomorrow.